Alright guys, so I finished installing the Supreme leveling kit, the 3.5 in the front and 1.5 in the rear. That's the final result. That's on straight ground. As you can see, the back is a little higher, not much, but overall this is pretty good. And here is a stock height ram. Next to it, you can see decent difference, nothing too crazy. Nice little lift. Definitely will clear the 35s I have planned for it and give it a little bit more aggressive look. Do a little walk around. Here's from a different point of view, both in the next to each other. As you can see, the mirror is higher, the headlights are a bit higher, and the cab is also a little bit higher, just a bit, nothing too crazy. So to give it a nicer look.